Another video in the Ask James Wise series. Today's question comes from AS. I have a good credit score, a good credit rating. However, I'm working with a good amount going in. However, I do not qualify for an FHA loan because I don't have my 2 years tax returns. I do get money every month off of disability, and I wanted to purchase a fourplex. I wanted to incorporate that income to be able to qualify to purchase the fourplex. Can you tell me, or do you know of any programs out there that I could potentially submit in order to get qualified to purchase a fourplex? Alright, AS, I pretty much understand what you're saying here. Not all the answers are going to be exactly what you want to hear. I give real, unbiased advice. In short, no. You can't get an FHA loan right now, so there really is no great alternative that is as good as the FHA loan. The only other loan product that would be better than the FHA loan would be the VA loan. You'd have to be a veteran to get the VA loan. So for all of us out there who are not veterans, the FHA loan is the very best loan product. Okay, it's 30 years, it only requires 3.5% down. This is the best product you can ever get. The interest is low, it's tax deductible. So you do not need to focus your attention on trying to look for an alternative because you're not going to find one. Instead, what you need to do is fix your credit situation, your income situation, to allow you to qualify for this FHA loan. In AS's situation, he actually does have good credit, he does have good income, but he can't qualify on paper for that because he doesn't have 2 years of tax returns showing that income. So what that tells me is he's most likely self-employed, owns his own business, or perhaps he's in an industry where he's paid solely or almost solely on commission. Think car sales, something of that nature, or real estate agents for that matter. So I know it's not what you want to hear, AS, but what you have to do is you're just going to have to wait this one out, okay? You're going to have to wait until you get your 2 years of tax returns so you can go out and use this FHA loan, because this is the best loan product. There's no other loan product that you're going to get that's better than this. And you know what? You buying a 4-unit with your FHA loan, that's awesome. That's great. That's house hacking at its finest. As a matter of fact, I pumped out another video how anyone can make $1 million in 10 years with less than $3,500. It utilizes this exact strategy that you're talking about. So AS, please be patient, wait it out. Once you get those 2 years, buy yourself that fourplex and start making money building your net worth. AS, I hope that answers your question. For the rest of you, if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section of the Ask James Wise video. We're going to go out and make a video just like this one, answering your question completely free of charge. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more great content like this. Please show me the love, pound that like button, share it with your friends, tag someone you know. If you want to follow me, my personal story as a broker, investor, and entrepreneur, you can do so on my Instagram at JamesWiseHWPG. As always, I'm James Wise with HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.